Next, we are going to talk about how objects are eligible for garbage. There are four kinds of reasons: nulling a reference, reassigning a reference variable, method local objects, islands of isolation. Let's talk about these above reasons one by one. If we consider about this code, X object is created. After certain point of time, X is equal to null. So what happened to the object? There is no reference from stack to the object. Therefore, garbage collector has chance to collect that object. Second reason is reassigning a reference variable. There are two objects in heap which references from XY variables. And after certain time X is reference to the object which Y also reference. Object which X earlier reference 1 now eligible for garbage collector. Next reason is method local objects. There is a method called M, and when it is called, it create an object. It has a reference from X. End of the M method, separate memory area for stack is cleaned. So at that point, object is eligible for garbage collector because it hasn't any reference with stack. The last point is islands of isolation. In this code, you can see there are three A-type of objects called as X, Y and Z. In each object consists of A-type of variable called as N. After certain point of time, these steps are happen. That means every object are reference each other. At last, X, Y, Z references are equal to null. Therefore, all the references from the stack are deleted. So, all the three objects are eligible for garbage collector. Protected void finalize. When an object is going to be garbage, this method will give only one chance to reborn. For an example, we can get 4 time segments. When we get first time segment, this object is finalized. So that object is not going to garbage collector though it has no reference. Because finalize method gives chance for an object to reborn. In here also the same thing happens. In here this object is going to garbage collector. And this is not. Finalize method gives chance to reborn only one object at one time. In this last segment, they haven't called the finalize method. So there is no finalize objects. So these two objects are going to garbage collector.